Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Techaruna, and I think all of you know that I am running a series on Canva tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we are going to see easy Canva hack that how to make your text color gradient, how to change your font and text to gradient color with easy just one click. So without wasting much time, we'll go to the platform and click the button create a design, and then you are going to click on Instagram post and blank template will be there. Now on that we are going to do the color gradient of the text. So the first and foremost thing you have to do is go to your apps, that is the 9 dots, that is apps. There you are going to type gradient. So here it is, and this app is a very simple app and user friendly, doesn't require any signing up or anything. Just click on it and you are ready to go with that. Simple as that. So here we have the title, and here we have the font style, and then alignment, and then line height, and then the gradient. We are going to give the title of our post. So let us type something. I'm typing stay blessed. Okay, you can choose different font style by clicking the drop down button here, and you can choose whatever you wanted. There are n number of options available for us. So I have chosen Anton. Here it is. Now that word which we typed appears here in the color gradient which is given here. Color gradient, there are 3 stops. You can choose the first one and you can go for a maybe a darker blue or a lighter blue, whichever you want. And the next one I'm going to go for a purple color. Okay, the third stop I'm going to click and go for a little bit lighter color, or else I'll change the color here. Okay, I'll change here and I've got some pinkish color. Come on, done. Now you can check here the preview. You can see here I have chosen 3 colors and 3 colors are appearing here. Now you can see 2 dots and a line over here. This is actually to change the gradient in our text anywhere we want. Now if I'm clicking this area, see, you can see the changes happening. The preview is very clear. You can see the changes happening. Now the green color is at the bottom. You can go and again whichever way, whichever style we want. See, this is as simple as that. Like 2 color, 3 color gradients are used in a beautiful way. Like simple. You can change it accordingly, whatever we want it. And we can try this on your paragraph also. So let us check that also. Now we have actually added the stabilized title on the post. Now we can check out on some paragraphs also. So I have a paragraph here. So I'm pasting it here. I will choose another font so that let us see how the other fonts work also, right? So I'm searching something very nice one. Right. So here we go. I want a bold one. Yeah. We can go for here, and you can go back, and then you can see here how this is appearing. Clear. Here also again you can check the color change. Right? You got it? Now we are going to do the color change. Now we can check the line heights also here. Now you can see here when I'm reducing, it is shrinking. When I'm dragging the bar to the right side, it is giving a proper space. You can see the space here, right? This is the line height is used for the spacing. Now again you can check here, correct? Now we'll go for tricolor, right? Like the first color I'm going to choose green color. So I'll go for green, and I'll go for a bright green. Yes, and here I'm going to go for white. So in the same, I'll drag and touch the white, and the third gradient I'm going to go for orange color. So orange, and I'm going to go for a brighter orange. Right, now here we go. We have done this, and actually I wanted this in center alignment, and we'll see it here, it is center aligned. Now I'm going to add this to the design. I'm clicking add to design. Now it is added, but it is not clearly visible. For that, we will definitely go for the color change of the background so that it is properly visible. Now you can see here how this is there, and you can drag it into bigger size. When you want to change the size of the font, you need to go to the app again, because after putting this on the design, it will become an image. So in that case, you can edit the image, right? But changing the font size, you need to go to the app and do it. This is how you can do the color gradient on your font and text. That's all from my desk today. I hope you found this useful, and if so, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.